Hello guys, here again with another simple machine lesson. I've made an adjustment. So we have a different looking gear here. So we have our small gear, and that's the one that we're going to be turning. And this small gear goes up to the ridges of this slightly bigger gear. So let's see what happens. Now what's different about this one and what makes it a little more useful in certain situations than our other big gear is the ridges are kind of pointing down, which means we can do this at an angle. We wouldn't be able to do this at an angle if we just had the two type of gears that have the ridges on the sides. So because these ridges are kind of coming down, we can put this at an angle, and that would be useful for certain builds. Now I want you to try to think of what is something you could build that it would be useful to have gears turning at this angle. And you'll also notice that because it's slightly bigger, it's moving a little bit slower, but it probably has a little more power. Alright, and then in the next lesson we'll see a situation where having this unique type of gear would be helpful.